That's me. Right now.
Got it. 1 ticket. So yeah, what are your skin concerns?
Probably all this crazy redness all in here around my nose. I get really bad dry patches, such bad irritation, pretty much everywhere. It really is frustrating. I mean, I've even tried like medications, I've tried creams, but like literally nothing works. It drives me insane. That's the stuff in yogurt, right? Biotics? They are supposed to help you digest or something? I don't really know, but they're supposed to be good for you, right? Dr. BRANDT Hydro Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Alright, let's see. Oh my gosh, it's green. Oh my gosh, it's so like refreshing. I can't believe how light it is, you know?